brutality against journalists. But that is not enough. That is not enough. Yesterday, I tweeted that the Ruto regime is only comparable to the regimes, if I may recall, in Cambodia, then under somebody called Pol Pot. Then in Haiti, under somebody called Jean-Claude Duvalier, Baby Doc. And then in Central African Republic, under Jean Bedel Bokassa. The reason why I'm referring to this is the international community cannot exhibit selective amnesia. You cannot condemn the attack on journalists and you forget to condemn an attempted murder of Raila Amolo Odinga by the police. If you want us to trust you or to believe you, in the same manner you are condemning those excesses against the media, you must also come out categorically and condemn the attempted murder against Raila. You, the international community, and the church. Oh, come on. Because you can remember, in the year 1994, when a mistake was made in Rwanda, and President Habyarimana was assassinated while in air, because you chose not to speak out. Within 1 month, the Rwandese lost almost 1 million people. So are you waiting? Is the international community waiting for Kenya to plan in genocide before they can speak out? Or what are they waiting for? That's the question we want to ask today, here in game. That if you truly mean well for us, you must come out strongly today, not tomorrow, and call out Ruto and his regime. There are no two ways about it. Kuro Yenauru and called most special Moko Meshimua Gogo of Rangwe, Meshimua Adumanka, Dakashel 2, I Dr. Burogenga. Tayame yo governor Masiaya. Of course, one called deputy governor Makisumo.